Hello guys, welcome back to Unique Solution. My name is Maria Macabo. Yes, these are all the combo. This is part of it. The tea is not here, the supplement is not here, and the dry herbs is missing. Okay, then for people with bad inflammation, this is missing as well here. But because this one is the main one that you have to be applying as a living moisturizer cream, so those are what I want to break in on this video for you guys. All right, so these are the two things that you're going to use to detox your scalp with, which is the garlic cream. Yeah, but when I post to you, I'm going to post you this is what I'm gonna post to you. Okay, these are the two main ones you're gonna use to detox, plus the avocado, banana, aloe vera that you're gonna buy. Yeah, but sometimes I'll post this depending the kind of hair and scalp the person have. But this is mainly I'm gonna post for the US because of the weight. Yeah, because I always maneuver their own package, because I will send them two of this instead of the hair food and the water mixture. I will send them this, one big one, one small one. So we maneuver like that so that they can enjoy the product while they got it at home. So let's break it down now. So this is the detox one, the garlic and the clove oil. So once you finish detox your scalp, you finish wash with the cleanser, water and shampoo, then with the everyday treatment. As soon as you finish all that, you towel dry the hair. Once you towel dry the hair, this is the main one you're going to go with. For people with patches, you understand, inflammation, this will help you a lot. Okay, this one. So the active edges oil and patches and bold crowned area, you have to put this on the scalp. This one goes on the scalp. You just apply tiny drop, okay, 3 times per week. But sometimes, we just say 3 times per week, but you're not consistent. You might not even use up to 3 times per week. You can go, if you apply this on the scalp today, give the scalp a break. Don't put any. Give the scalp a break, okay? So after you put this on the scalp, if you have hair, you go in with your hair food. This will go on the hair, okay? So when you apply this on the hair, only on the hair, it doesn't go on the scalp, okay? So each time your hair is loose, you washed it, go with this. Don't blow dry your hair. Don't blow dry it, because when you blow dry the hair, it doesn't lock in the moisture. So go in with this straight, then you can put twist on your hair. Then after then, you apply with this active hair cream. This active hair cream, it's the one that's gonna make your hair grow thicker and longer. This active hair cream. So you have to be using it once, twice, 3 times per week on the scalp. It doesn't go on the hair. Put it on the scalp, okay? Use this active cream. Is very, very important. Yeah. Whereas this, if you got bold patches, it will help to activate those dead follicles and then also help to bring the hair out. Whereas this one will make the hair stay forever. Okay, if you keep using it, it's very, very good. This, sometimes people stop using this. They say, no, let my hair stop growing. It grows the hair very fast. Okay, this pancake oil, we just put it for backup. For those who sometimes this might be strong for them, so we put this for backup. So you can also use this as well. Is a win-win thing that you need to be using this product. You need to be using them. Find a way that you use them and see how they're gonna work out for your own scalp. Okay, we just put it there so that when you try this one, if it's too strong for you, you can use it. This is pancake oil. It's very good for bold patches and the scalp. Okay, it doesn't go on the hair. So these are the 3 cream that you use for the scalp that we're gonna put into the package. Okay, this is it for people with edges problem, your follicles are dead. So these 3 will help activate it, especially the one with the garlic. It help activate it. Okay, so this is the job for these 3, only for the scalp. This goes for the scalp. So this will help activate the hair follicles and grow the hair. Whereas the hair food is just for your own natural hair. But at the moment, if your head is bald, you don't have hair, don't use this. Just leave it on the side. Okay. So let's talk about the water mixture. The water mixture, also the video is out, because this is what I'll post to you. This is what I'm going to post to you. You have to transfer it into a bottle, okay, and fill it up. So this is the water mixture I'll post to you guys, not this. So the people in the US, I might not post this to you. I might just maneuver everything. You have to create it out there. Your own video is out. You can go and watch this, how to make it. For the people in the US, to reduce the weight, so I can give you things that your scalp need. So once you receive this, the video is out, how to transfer it. So let me show you here how to use it. Here, this video is how to use them. Yeah. So now when you mix your mixture, you see it's very, very thick, you see. So if it's too thick, just keep adding water, boiled water. Yeah, it's so thick, you see. So how often should you use this? This one, you can use it two ways. You use it on the scalp. You can use it on the scalp twice per week. Okay, so remember, that's why I told you, if you're using this today, don't use this ones. If you're using this today, don't use this. If you're using this today, don't use this. Skip one day, give the scalp a break. If you're using this today, skip one day, give the scalp a break. Then you use this today, that's fine. This, you can use it when you have box braids, when you have cornrows. This will help hydrate the hair, especially for people that who has how do you call it, dry hair. You understand? It will help hydrate your hair and your scalp, especially for people with inflammation as well. This will help calm the scalp down. You know, when your scalp feel hot, just spray it. You can spray it twice or 3 times per week. Okay, like I said, when you spray it, don't put this, leave them, let it have a break. Okay, so this is it for this one. Then if you have short hair, you don't braid it. Anytime you spray this, then you use your hair food. You know, for people that who have short hair, yeah, you spray this, then you put your hair food on the hair, then you comb your hair. Your hair will stay moisturized and hydrate all day. You don't feel no bristle on your hair. This is so good. So guys, I'm just here to help you guys and figure out everything that's good for the scalp. You have to put the work in and try to use them and study your hair, how they respond to it. So if you can stay with it, you stay with it. If you know this one works for me better, that's what you're going to continue to order. Okay, so now we come to the derma roller stamp. This is the derma roller stamp, and this is the oil. So these two goes together. This is for patches. Anytime you use this derma roller, you use it. Okay, sometimes you can use the oil on its own. If you want to, you can use the oil on its own. So it's video, it's out. I've made video how to use it, because the reason why the skull, the temple area, the edges, and the other stuff, they are different. They are different. You understand? They are different. So that's why you need to watch the video. The video is there, how to use it. So this is for patches. When you have patches, you use it once per week. Once per week, don't exit at all. It's not good to use derma roller every day. You damage the hair, and you don't use the right one. This is the right one for all type of patches. Don't use the derma roller, the one that roll. You'll be poking out your hair. Use it where you need it. So once you use it, then you put the oil. Okay, so this oil, some people, they figure it out, they use it like that on their hair, and it works out. This is why I said you have to figure things out for your hair. So when you figure things out for your hair, then you know how it worked better for your hair. You understand? Because if you don't try to use them all in a way to study your scalp, you will not know which one good for you more. That's why we have to put all of this for you, so that you know everything. Okay, then we have the oil. This oil, if we post this one, this is the normal oil for people that will have really healthy hair. They don't have other problems, so we put this oil for them. You understand? But if you have bold patches, we're still gonna put this. Then we put the oil. That's why the prices are different, guys. Okay, so we talked about this now. This is so this one is for the itchy scalp. So the itchy scalp, we have 2 sets for the itchy scalp. People with dandruff, people with scabies on their scalp, their own treatment is there. We have a video. So when you order that package, I will send you the video. But in case some people, they have normal itchy scalp, so this might come on the package as well, like this. So this on its own is 35 pound. So if I have to post it to you, you have to pay the postage. When you buy it like that, you come to the shop, is 35 pound. If we have to post it, we have to. So we don't include this because the product we use here is a lot, guys. We're using product. This now we have like a box of this. So you see, we can't just charge you, we don't add all the stuff to them. We have to add the stuff money to the package and the combo. You understand? I hope this makes sense. If not, the videos are there. Go to our playlist. When you go to our playlist, go on the combo. The full treatment combo. Put full treatment combo. You will see the playlist for everything, how to use them, how to make your protein treatment, how to make your everyday treatment, how to do the tea, how to take your tea. All that is there. The tea is there for people with inflammation. We have to treat the inflame. The inflame have to come out, or else the hair will not grow. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share.